So today we're going to look at the difference between Windows 7 and Windows 8 copying. And what we're looking at here is on the right hand side, you'll see that that's the Windows 8 machine. On the left hand is a Windows 7. We're actually operating on a Windows 7 computer right now. So the first thing we're going to see is how files copy doing that. So we're going to copy some from the left hand side of the screen to the right hand side of the screen. So we're going to grab a file here, we're going to drag it over here, and we're going to say copy it from the Windows 7, which I'm on, to the Windows 8 system. So if we let go of that, you'll see the copy is going to start. And when it does start, it gives you a dialog box, and we can to get more details by clicking on the more details, and there you'll see the information there about that. Now we click another one and drag it over as well, you'll see a second dialog box opens up, and you can also expand that one for more details. So now we're watching to see what happens. And Windows calculates speed, by the way, based on the number of files being copied, the number of the size of the files. The compression of the files actually affects copying as well. So for example, if you have a whole bunch of small files, it'll update, be pretty accurate and everything. If you get a large file that's compressed, it takes a long time, all of a sudden you'll see jumps in speed faster and slower depending upon it. And that's why that speed calculation seems a little freaky at times. But here we are, we're just about done with the Windows 7 file copy. And there goes one file, and here we go with the last one, and it's done. So for the purpose of keeping my old brain straight, we're going to delete these files, and also for the next demonstration, so we can go see how this works over in Windows 8. So here we are, we're going to go over to the Windows 8 system, and you see these things are arranged the same way. We're over here in the Windows 8 on the right and the Windows 7 on the left. We're going to do the same copying and everything. You'll see, notice you have these bars up at the top of there from Windows 8. You can actually minimize those, but for right now we're going to leave those open. That's the new way of doing things, just like Office was for a couple of years now. So we're going to click, we're going to forget that. We're going to go back here. We're going to drag, instead of clicking, we're going to drag this file over here and start the copy process. And we're going to drag the second one also, just like we did in the other one. So let's go ahead and drop that one, and let's go ahead and drop that one. Now Windows 8, because it's a faster system, a few other reasons maybe, but usability, whatever, it automatically shows you what's going on with each file. It puts them into one box instead of two, gives you the detailed view out the box. So that's all you geeks out there like to understand what's going on when you're copying your files. There you'll be able to see all that happening. So there you have it. There's the basic differences between the visual aspect of copying files between Windows 7 and Windows 8. Speed's about the same, depending upon your network, but a little tweaks and little enhancements for Windows 8.